What if I told you that you have the opportunity to create the best you that ever existed? Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to talk about that there can be a best version of you and you can be that version. You can create that version. You can go to that version and be that version. So let's see how it is. The best you that ever existed. Well, doesn't that excite you? Well, it should excite you because the possibilities of creating the best version of yourself, your mental strength, your physical fitness or anything, your financial situation, doesn't that excite you? Or through your own work, that is the biggest flex. Like you are creating your best version and there were some difficulties in it, but you did it. That is the biggest flex. Through your own work, you did it, right? Doesn't it excite you? Well, if that doesn't excite you, I am telling you, nothing will. The pride that comes with that comes with success, the pride that comes with winning, the pride that comes with earning things is the best. And plus, the biggest red flag, that pride, the pride of achieving, the pride of winning, the best feeling can never come from handouts. You can never feel success. You can never feel that you succeeded in a thing through handouts. I am telling you, try it. You can never do it. You can never. And you have to do it through your own work. You have to work hard. You have to be the first. No one did it before you. Okay, be the first one to do it. You can do it. It is not easy. Totally. It is never going to be easy. Achieving success, achieving things, even passing in some subjects is never easy. Getting a job, feeding your children, starting a business, buying a car, buying a house, driving, nothing is easy. Nothing is easy. Sometimes talking isn't easy for some people. That isn't the excuse. That isn't easy. Yes, that isn't easy. That isn't easy. That is never going to be easy. The thing that will give you success, the thing that will make you successful, the thing that will give you a true pride is never going to be easy. But you can do it because you are you. You can do it. You have to believe in yourself. And the thing you are going to do something, that thing should be your first priority. That should be the most important thing to you. That is the only way you can do it. Your hard work, your sweats, your tears are never going to be wasted. It is worth it. You are worth. You can do it. Get excited about it. Get a little bit excited about it. Try new things. Be excited about it. Be excited about just your life. Be excited about what will happen tomorrow. Be excited about what will happen tonight. Just think. Be excited. That is the most important thing you can do to plan out your future. Work hard, earn it, and then enjoy the pride that comes after it. So, what if I told you that every obstacle that you faced in your life was just there to develop your character, and that character, if developed right, will lead to a best version of yourself, a better version of yourself. What if I told you everything was part of a plan? And what if I told you everything was planned? What if I told you that these challenges were sent to you to make you better, to make you stronger? What if I tell you, would you face it differently, face those challenges, those different things, those problems differently if I told you it was all part of the plan? Well, let me break it to you. Let me burst your bubble. Well, yes, the reality, it is the reality. It is the part of the plan. Everything is planned. The problems are on your side. Don't fight with problems. Rise up with them. Don't go against problems. Be with them. Problems and challenges that come in your life are in your team, are on your side. They are not on anyone else's side. They are on your side. They are here to make you stronger. You don't fight with the members in your team, right? So don't fight with problems, don't fight against problems. Okay, there are many point of views, there are many perspectives. Let me tell you, one perspective will see that it will lead to disasters. It is so bad, it will lead to bad ending. And then another perspective will lead to everything will go just about fine, right? There are many perspectives, so you have to keep the problems on your side. They are on your side, you have to keep them with you. Don't fight against problems. You are in the same team. They are here to help you. They are here to make you better, make you stronger. Okay, think back to every challenge that you have ever faced in your life. The most hardest challenge, the challenges that really hurted you, right? Okay, number one, you weren't in a good financial state. Your financial situation wasn't great. Look back to it and just think about it. That problem, the financial problem, gave you an opportunity to do something and you did it, and now you are better. Maybe you got fired or you didn't have a job. Look, you didn't have a job, right? Maybe the destiny, the fate had some great plans about you, had some other destination for you, right? You didn't get a job or you were fired, right? That problem developed your mindset to do something else, to do something that you really like. You were fired from a job that you really don't like. Leave it. You don't like it, leave it. Don't go to jobs, don't do work that you don't like. Leave it. Life is totally, I am telling you, it is too short to do work that to do things that you don't like, right? Well, right, you were fired, you didn't have a job, you changed your mentality, you started a business. That is a great outcome, right? And another example, you failed in your test. You worked hard, you got motivated, and you did it. What was the problem that you failed? What is the result that you passed? There should be a problem for a solution. There wouldn't be a solution if there isn't a problem, right? You are not in your best physical state, in your best mental state. You worked hard, you started exercising, you started anything that you want to solve that problem, to do anything, you started to do anything with that will solve that problem, right? You were tired and sick. Basically, you were tired and sick of being tired and sick, because of your mental state, because of your physical state, anything. You were tired and sick because you were tired of sick of being tired and sick, right? So you stepped up, you started working hard, you worked out. Solution. If there isn't a problem, there wouldn't be a solution. Just think about it and your life will be sorted out. Literally, if there isn't a problem, there wouldn't be a solution. If there isn't a problem, there would be no meaning to life. Okay, summing up this video, challenges are here to make you stronger, to make you better. They are on your team. If there isn't a problem, there wouldn't be a solution. If there isn't a problem in your life has no meaning. There must be a problem for your life to go on, to move on. If there isn't a problem, you would be stuck in. You wouldn't want to do anything. Summing up, you should really know every challenge is here to just make you stronger, to make you better, to give you the best version of yourself. And you can really get the best version of yourself if you are hungry, if you're totally hungry for it. You'll get it. Believe in yourself, trust yourself. This is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment on the favorite part, and adios. I'm out.